Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the previous video, we started learning about DAX functions in Power BI. In this video, we'll look at a real-world example of how DAX can be applied. We will use a retail company scenario and see how to solve some of the business requirements using DAX functions. Imagine you are working as a data analyst for a retail company. The management has asked you three things: to calculate the total revenue for the North region only, to find the total number of orders placed, to check the sales impact if we reverse the filter direction between the customers and sales table. The functions that we will be using here are calculate, count, and cross filter. Let's get started. We are at the table view. We will go to calculation section and create measures for total revenue. This is the formula for creating this measure. Now we are creating another measure to calculate the revenue for the North region only. It is created successfully. To calculate the total orders, we will create another measure and use the count function. Now we will create another measure for revenue both direction using cross filter function. Cross filter is used to change the filter direction in a relationship between two tables. By default, relationship in Power BI have a single filter direction. Using cross filter, we can change it to both directions and analyze how it impacts sales result when customers filters sales or vice versa. We are done with creating the measures. Now we will go to the report view and generate some visuals. We will use cards to visualize the total revenue, revenue by North region, and total orders. We will simply pick these measures from the data pane and drag and drop to the respective card. Now we will use clustered column chart to visualize the total revenue by order and the total revenue by region. In the x-axis, we will use region, and in the y-axis, we will use total revenue and total orders. Now we will create another visual. We will select matrix, and in the rows, we will select customer name. In the values, we will select revenue both direction. Here we can clearly see the other visualization also changes when we change the name of the person. And that's it. In the next video, we will be working on another DAX application example. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.